Welcome back to the channel. Today is August 24th, 2025, and we are at Ohio's First Buc-ee's in Huber Heights, Ohio.
This time we're standing right outside the entrance to the new Buc-ee's on what will be State Route 235, one of the new lanes that's under construction. Real nice day today, about 80 degrees, no rain, blue skies and sun, and of course that sun's right in our eyes again while we're trying to talk to you. So we got down here, we flew the drone, and can see a little bit of progress today. They've added 3 more stars to the front of the building. Got a lot more work done to the stars on the south side of the building. The roof looks to be covered. I don't want to say it's complete because there's a lot of equipment that needs to get installed up there, but all that white material is now covering the entire roof. The north fuel pump islands, you see a lot more concrete work's been done there. It seems like a lot of grading work's been done around the south, the front part of the property to the south side. You'll see that in the drone footage, and that piece of property across the back, a lot of grading work's been done there, so looks like some of the final touches might be getting put in place for those areas. That south parking lot, there's a lot of light poles laying around in there, so I don't think it'll be too much longer before we'll see those get installed. State Route 235, which is what we're standing on right now, still progress is being done. A lot of reconstruction work. The exit ramp from I-70 to State Route 235, progress continues there. Sonia and I are a little tired today. We got home about 3:30 in the morning last night. We were working our cat rack game at the St. Peter St. Joan of Arc Community Festival last Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. We got closed last night at 11 and tore down and took care of business and got home about 3:30. While we were in Powell, we got a visit from our subscriber John Esper Thursday night. It's always good to see John. And on Friday, we got a visit from another subscriber, Avery, who also has a YouTube channel. Avery's 10 years old and loves the carnival, and he was out there taking some pictures and videos. We met him and his family, real nice people. And we'll go ahead and put a link to Avery's channel in the description so you can go check it out. Then on Saturday, we met an old friend, Christian, goes by the name of Sir Rides a Lot on YouTube. I'll put a link in the description to his YouTube channel. We've known him for quite a while. So, 3 days in Powell working the festival. We got to meet 3 people from YouTube, so that was pretty good. We'll go ahead and put some pictures and video in from the festival right here. This is our cat rack game that we had at the festival. Here we are with John Esper, a subscriber to the channel. This is Avery. He's 10 years old and he loves the carnival. Here we are with our old friend Christian. Here I am with a special guest. Here's a drone video showing you an overview of the St. Peter St. Joan of Arc Community Festival in Powell, Ohio, not too far from the Columbus Zoo. Well, I think that's going to do it for today. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of these Buc-ee's construction update videos. As always, thanks for watching.
We'll see you down the road.
Bye for now.
Bye.
Here's a look at the retail store. You can see 3 more stars have been added to the front of the building, as well as some more progress on the entrances and exits, as well as the areas where the ice machines will be located. The roof is now completely covered. Still a lot of work to do to install all the equipment that's going to be placed on the roof. Here's the north parking lot. See, we still have some offices, some storage containers, and a lot of equipment that's going to be installed on the building. See, a lot of progress has been made on this area to the north of the north parking lot. This is the area to the back of the building. See, they've made a whole lot of progress back here on grading this land. Here's a look at the south parking lot. You can see we have some light poles in the parking lot getting ready to be installed. This is the north fuel pump island. You can see they've added a lot more concrete since last week. Still have a little bit to go here at the end to finish it up. This is the south fuel pump island. Haven't poured any concrete in this area yet. Here's a look at the entrance to Buc-ee's, as well as State Route 235. You can see the progress and improvements that have been made here to the road for the new store. This area down here to the south of the property, down near the fuel pump islands, you can see a lot of progress has been made here since last week. This ground has been graded. Things are looking pretty good down here. Here's the exit ramp from I-70 to State Route 235. The exit ramp is still closed, but you can see some of the progress that's been made here in the last week.